Unveiling the Mystery. Give up the ghost. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have come across. Give up the ghost. It's a saying that's rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can really add depth to your English comprehension. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. When someone says, "Give up the ghost," they're usually talking about something ceasing to function or coming to an end. Originally, this phrase was used to refer to a person's moment of death, the idea being that the ghost, or spirit, was leaving the body. However, in modern usage, it's often applied to inanimate objects too. For example, if your old car finally stops working after years of repair, you might say it has given up the ghost. The phrase, "give up the ghost," has been around for centuries, with its origins traceable back to the Bible. In older translations, it was used to describe the moment of death for various figures. Over time, the phrase began to be used more broadly in English literature and conversation, evolving to encompass the end of life for not just people but things that have ceased to function. Understanding when and how to use "give up the ghost" can help you sound more fluent and natural in English. It's perfect for situations where something is beyond repair or has stopped working altogether. For instance, if your phone no longer turns on despite all attempts to fix it, you could say, "Well, it looks like my phone has finally given up the ghost." It adds a touch of dramatic flair to your speech, illustrating the end of something's useful life. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, "give up the ghost." We hope this exploration has made you more comfortable with using it in your own English conversations and understanding when others use it. Remember, learning these kinds of phrases not only helps with your fluency but also enriches your understanding of English culture and history. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning.